Assalamualaikum friends. Welcome back. Today we will talk about some beautiful and creative crochet flower patterns as your ideas. Crochet flowers are small, simple and brave. You can use them in many different ways to decorate your home, your class, on your space. Let's explore some ideas together. First, let's start with the phase 5 petal flowers. This is one of these patterns and perfect for beginners. You can make it in any colors and size. The small flowers can be used to decorate hair clips, bags, or even greeting cards. Next, try making the layer flower. Crochet 2 or 3 flowers in different size and stitch them together. This creative art 3D effect and the flower look and more attractive. Another idea is the rose pattern. Crochet a long strip with shells or lobes, then roll it into a strip to form a rose. This flower is perfect for brooches, hat, or wedding decoration. If you like something unique, try a sunflower pattern. Crochet yellow petals around a brown circle center. It brings a cheerful and bright look, and you can use it on wall hanging cushions or table runner. You can also make daisy flower white petal with a yellow center. Look fresh and simple. These are perfect for spring or summer project. For a touch of elegance, make crochet cloth or layer flowers. They look beautiful on blackened fair or small decoration. Another fun ideas: mini flowers, just a few chain and stitch to make them. They are great for uneven shooting. Don't forget about shooting. Flower crochet flowers and till them with a long. You can hang them on a walls, doors, or window to add color and charm to your space. If you want a baking project, try crochet flowers buckets. Mix different patterns like roses, daisies, and tulips, and hang them together. They never can be a lovely handmade gifts. Crochet flowers are simple, unique, and full of possibilities. You can mix color, size, and styles to endless pattern. The best part is you can make them with love over behind too. So pick up your book, choose your favorite color, and start making crochet flower today. They will bring beauty, joy, and creative to your words, friends. Crochet tulips are very popular. Make long green stem and colorful petals in red, yellow, or pink. They look perfect as a bucket in a vase.